Hello everyone, I am your Deepak. I welcome you all to your YouTube channel Excellent Academy. Your competitive excellence is our motto. In this session, I am going to brief you about the various competitive exams of banking, insurance, railways and post office. First, we shall discuss about the recruitments in your banking industry. In your banking industry, for your nationalized banks and for your regional rural banks, the most of the recruitments will take place through your IBPS, that is Institute of Banking and Personnel Selection. IBPS is going to conduct the examination for probationary officers, clerical and specialist officers. The minimum required qualification for your probationary officers and clerical is any degree. However, for the specialist officers, it requires specific qualification for the various specified course. The details of the same can be looked in at your IBPS website. Next, key recruiter in the banking industry is SBI, that is State Bank of India. SBI is going to conduct its own separate examination for recruitment in probationary officers and clerical. The minimum required qualification is any degree. The next important key recruiter in the banking industry is Indian Post Payment Banks. They are also conducting examination to recruit the probationary officers and clericals and also specialist officers. The minimum required qualification for probationary officers and clericals is any degree. However, the specified qualification is required for the specialist officers. Other important key recruiters in the banking industry is the organizations such as RBI, NABARD, etc. They are also conducting recruitment examination to recruit personnel for probationary officers, clericals and specialist officers. For probationary officers and clerical, minimum qualification is any degree. However, for the specialist officers, specified qualifications is required. We shall discuss about the recruitments made by your public sector insurance companies such as Life Insurance Corporation of India, General Insurance Corporation of India, New India Assurance Company Limited, United India Insurance Company Limited, Oriental Insurance Company Limited, National Insurance Company Limited, Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited. They are conducting recruitment examination to recruit generalist officers, clerical and specialist officers. The minimum required qualification for the generalist officers and the clerical is any degree. However, for the specialist officers, they require specific degrees. Now, we shall discuss about the recruitments made by your Railway Recruitment Board. Railway Recruitment Board is going to recruit both technical and non-technical personnel for its various departments such as engineering, revenue department, stations, operations and management. The non-technical posts such as traffic apprentice, assistant station master, guards, enquiry cum reservation clerks, junior account assistants, clerical cum typists requires minimum education qualification of degree. However, the non-technical posts such as office clerks, stenographers, typists, train clerks requires minimum education qualification of 10th pass with minimum percentage of 50%. Apart from non-technical posts, RRB is also conducting recruitments for technical posts which requires various technical qualifications. Finally, we shall discuss about the recruitments made by Indian Post. Indian Postal Service officers are recruited through Civil Service Examination. The minimum qualification for this is any degree. For the posts such as clerical, junior accountants, the minimum required qualification is any degree. For the posts such as mail guard, postal assistant, sorting assistant, postman and junior assistant, the minimum required qualification is 12th pass. For the posts such as Gramin Dak Seva and multitasking staffs, the minimum required qualification is 10th pass. With this, I am ending this session. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe right now and don't forget to click on bell button. If you like my videos, like it and share it. Thank you.